uh, during WPL as well. When was the first time you played guitar? Do you remember that? And what song did you play?
Yeah, firstly, just to know that you've seen my guitar videos means the world to me because I really look up to you and your batting. So it's nice to know, yeah. And I hope it was the good videos, okay?
No, it was really good. It was really good.
Thank you.
Send him the bad ones.
No, but I remember the first song because the reason I started playing the guitar was because in church we had a choir and they needed a guitarist. So one of the songs was "How Great Is Our God." So that was the first song I learned on the guitar.
Oh wow! Anything special you sung? Any special song for your mom and dad? You remember?
I actually haven't done it, but maybe today's the day. And today's not the day. Okay, sorry, today's not the day. Smriti is saying, but I think this is one song recently that has been very special to my heart. And I feel like when I hear it, I feel this is something my parents would sing to me. So it goes like, तारा ना दिसे या चंद खो जावे तेनु संग रखना कुछ ना होवे या सब हो जावे तेनु संग रखना वड्डी तो वड्डी कोई भी फौज जाए तेनु संग रखना तारा ना दिसे या चंद खो जावे तेनु संग रखना. So no matter what happens, I know they're always with me. Thank you.
Very good.
Next is your turn, Bhaiya.
You guys are representing youth when you play the game. So many people are watching you all, and of course there are some things in sport we all want to see. Oh shit, this shouldn't happen. That shouldn't happen. Is there anything that you feel in the next 3, 4, 5 years should change in women's cricket?
I don't think I'm the right person to answer that. But I would say one of the biggest positives I've seen is that women's cricket is just going higher and higher all these days. And every season, especially with the WPL starting. And the only thing I would love to see is like in the next few years, I can't wait to see what heights it's going to reach. So I'm very excited to see that.
The last couple of years have been really good for us as Indian cricket, not just men's cricket but women's cricket as well. With WPL coming in, obviously, you know, the fan following of women's cricket has only grown.
Yes.
And the way you guys have played also makes a huge difference as well. So big congratulations to all of you all.
Thank you.
For doing that. Recently you got 100. Congratulations on that.
Thank you so much.
How many times have you watched that highlights?
I have to be honest here.
The whole night. The whole night she's watched it.
Yeah, I think the first one's always special, they say. And it took me quite a long time to get it. But I was glad it came because I always believe sometimes good things take a little while. And I believe it's the first of many. And it's not just the 100. I think whenever I bat, I always love watching the highlights because if I myself don't enjoy it, then I don't know what's the point. But I think I love watching my batting, and yeah, I watch it like not quite a few, many times.
It's just not you. All of us who have played the game like to do that. Life outside cricket, I mean, I know that there are so many things that you wanted to do, but because of cricket, you can't do it.
Yeah.
Do you know what are those things?
I think one thing...
Playing guitar is one.
Yeah, playing guitar, but I do it while playing cricket itself. But I think one thing I genuinely miss was to have a school life. Because I started playing at a very young age. And as you know, cricket is throughout the year. Especially Mumbai Cricket Association, we used to have off-season camps. We used to travel, practice tours and the actual tours. So I really didn't get a proper school life. Which is, I think, one thing I would genuinely miss. And if I could get it back, I would love to have that. But no regrets as such.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
There you are. Thank you very much. Rohit, just let it slip, by the way, that he watches the highlights of his own centuries too. That must be a lot of watching to do with all the centuries that you've hit. Anyway, well done. Rohit Sharma, Smriti Mandhana, Hardik Pandya, Jemima Rodrigues. Thank you very much.